Hello, this is the third time I'm at Warsaw Home Expo, and I just spoke, and every time I come here, the fair is growing like anything, and it's a fantastic fair. So I'm thrilled to be in Poland, I'm thrilled to be in Warsaw, and I'm thrilled to be here. Next year, I would love to be invited again. And in fact, if I come again, I'm going to speak about a completely different subject, maybe even show some new work here. So I look forward to seeing you again, all of you.